Best crypto exchanges and apps in India for 2024. We'll look at the best crypto exchanges in India, examining them in close detail. By the end, it will help you decide which crypto app to use for your crypto investing needs. So, without further ado, let's get started. Top picks. Mudrex is among the best cryptocurrency investing apps. There are several crypto exchanges in India. While most focus on crypto trading, some of them encourage a long-term approach to crypto investing. Here are the top cryptocurrency exchanges and apps in India. With its ease of use and various investment options, Mudrex is the best crypto investing app in India. It offers over 350 coins and tokens to invest in, and the process of investing is pretty simple and fast. Deposit funds into your wallet, choose your coin or token, and invest your desired amount. That's it. Moreover, it offers great security features like biometric authentication and storing users' funds in cold wallets. Mudrex not only allows you to invest in individual cryptocurrencies and tokens but also offers expert-curated, theme-based crypto baskets called CoinSwitch that provide diversification and reduce risk. Relying on the performance of any one coin can be risky. CoinSwitch help mitigate that risk by integrating several coins under one thematic umbrella. It is one of Mudrex's unique selling propositions, USPs, and the main reason why we recommend Mudrex as the best crypto app in India. Key features. Here are some of the features that allow Mudrex to stand out from the rest in the industry. Huge variety of coins. Mudrex features over 350 coins and tokens to invest in, from popular ones like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, to smaller ones like Osmosis, Osmo, and Neo. CoinSwitch. These are expert-curated, diversified portfolios of coins, tokens based on popular themes from the crypto world. They're rebalanced every month to ensure you keep up with the fast-paced crypto market. Security. Strong security features like data encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for funds, multi-sig technology, and regular security audits make Mudrex a highly trustworthy platform for investing. UPI. Mudrex supports UPI as a payment option, which is rare in the industry. Insurance. All funds managed by Mudrex are insured by the highly reputed Lloyd's of London. Robust customer support. It offers customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and phone. User-friendly interface. Mudrex has an intuitive, user-friendly interface that makes it easy for investors to navigate the app and invest in cryptocurrencies. Regulatory compliance. Mudrex takes pride in complying with all the relevant regulations concerning cryptocurrency exchanges in India and Europe. Here are some highlights. Mandatory Know Your Customer, KYC, verification. Mudrex requires all users to undergo KYC verification before they can start investing on the app. This deters any bad actors from engaging in illegal activities. FIU registered entity. Mudrex is registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, as required by the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA, regulations in India. This registration covers compliance with KYC norms, record-keeping, reporting of suspicious transactions, appointment of a compliance officer, and engagement with regulatory authorities. Compliance with European Union, EU regulations. As part of its expansion to Europe, Mudrex complies with all the necessary regulations such as the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. It is also registered with Italy's Organismo Agenti e Mediatori, OAM. Minimum investment. You can start investing on Mudrex with an amount as low as 100 INR. However, you have to deposit at least 500 INR into your Mudrex wallet before you can start investing. Payment methods. Mudrex supports payments via UPI and IMPS. It's one of the few apps in India that supports UPI, making it a compelling investment platform. Security. Mudrex takes pride in taking the security of its platform very seriously. Here are some of its main security features. Two-factor authentication. Biometric authentication. AES 256 encryption to protect sensitive customer data and ensure security for every transaction. Banks, governments, and militaries around the world use this type of encryption. Hosted on secure cloud computing platforms including Amazon Web Services, Oz, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and Microsoft Azure. All funds are insured by Lloyd's of London. Key highlights. 1. Variety of options to invest and earn money via crypto. 2.350 plus cryptocurrencies to invest in. 3. Supports payments in INR, USD, and EUR. 4. Supports UPI as a payment option. 5. Offers systematic investing in coin sets and individual coins. 6. Funds insured by Lloyd's of London. 7. Mudrex Insights offers bite-sized tidbits of fundamental, technical, and sentiment analysis of cryptocurrencies. 8. Not suitable for professional traders as it focuses on long-term crypto investing.
Best crypto exchanges and apps in India for 2024. CoinDCX. CoinDCX, launched in 2018, is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange in India, known for its user-centric approach and security features. It provides swift fiat to crypto conversions and markets itself as beginner-friendly, drawing liquidity from global exchanges like Binance. As a centralized platform, it's registered in Singapore and offers a wide array of coins and trading pairs. CoinDCX has gained a reputation as one of India's largest and safest exchanges, with a valuation of $1.10 billion, reflecting its significant standing in the cryptocurrency marketplace. Key features. More than 500 cryptocurrencies available. Various ways to earn, including staking, lending, futures, and margin trading. Strong data encryption to protect user data. Free courses for learning about cryptocurrencies and blockchain on its DCX Learn platform. Advanced trading features on CoinDCX Pro. API for access to CoinDCX's optimum spreads and liquidity. Regulatory compliance. As an FIU-registered entity, CoinDCX abides by all the PMLA regulations, including mandatory KYC verification for users and an anti-money laundering policy. Minimum investment. You can invest in crypto on CoinDCX starting from 100 INR. Payment methods. CoinDCX supports deposits in INR through IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, and net banking for select banks. Security. Here are the main security features of CoinDCX. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Encrypted user data. About 95% of all funds are stored in multi-sig cold wallets. Regular security audits that include stress, scenario, and penetration testing. BitGo ensures all funds up to $100 million. DDoS protection. Pros and cons. No fees for fiat deposits and withdrawals. Strong security measures in place. Funds insured by BitGo. Advanced investing products available besides cryptocurrencies. CoinSwitch. CoinSwitch has emerged as a formidable player in the cryptocurrency exchange market in India, distinguishing itself by aggregating liquidity from other leading exchanges. This allows users to trade cryptocurrencies at some of the best available rates. Though relatively young, it has attracted a large user base with its straightforward KYC process and commitment to security as a non-custodial exchange. CoinSwitch does not hold users' funds, which is a significant trust factor for many users. Its Pro version allows experienced traders to trade cryptocurrencies on multiple exchanges with one account and take advantage of features like analytics tools and limit orders. Key features. Pools liquidity from top crypto exchanges in India and abroad. Offers a systematic investment plan, SIP, for cryptocurrencies. CoinSwitch Pro allows you to trade crypto on multiple exchanges with a single account. Regulatory compliance. As an FIU-registered entity, CoinSwitch abides by all the PMLA regulations, including mandatory KYC verification for users and having an anti-money laundering policy. Minimum investment. The minimum investment required on CoinSwitch is 100 INR. Payment methods. CoinSwitch supports payments in NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS. Security. Here are the main security features of CoinSwitch. Two-factor authentication. Advanced encryption. Pros. Beginner-friendly. No fee for deposits and withdrawals. CoinSwitch Pro offers great features for experienced traders. Lower transaction fees compared to some other exchanges, saving money on trades. Lower transaction fees compared to some other exchanges, saving money on trades. Only supports transactions in INR. Restricts fiat deposits, which may limit options for funding your account. WazirX. WazirX, a rapidly expanding cryptocurrency exchange in India, boasts over 60 lakh registered users. It offers a high liquidity, auto-matching peer-to-peer (P2P) platform in addition to an exchange, making transactions straightforward for its growing user base. Key features. P2P platform. WazirX features a P2P platform where buyers and sellers can transact directly with WazirX acting as the escrow agent. WRX has its own cryptocurrency called WRX that can be used like any other cryptocurrency. Referral program. A lucrative referral program allows users to earn commissions, fostering a growing community of traders. No custody of fiat funds. WazirX does not hold custody of fiat funds, which is a feature that might appeal to certain users. Regulatory compliance. When it comes to compliance, WazirX is right up there with other top exchanges. It is registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, and has an AML policy in place. It also requires KYC verification for all registered users. Minimum investment. WazirX requires a minimum investment of 100 INR. Payment methods. WazirX supports payments in NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS. Security. Some of the security measures that WazirX has in place are as follows: two-factor authentication, regular security audits, a bug bounty program that rewards those who find vulnerabilities on WazirX's website and apps.
Another trusted exchange is ZebPay. Launched initially in 2014 by Mahin Gupta, Sandeep Goenka, and Saurabh Agarwal, ZebPay quickly ascended to become one of the country's largest platforms for cryptocurrency trading. As of 2023, boasting over 3 million users, ZebPay offers a user-friendly trading environment with features like Lightning Network payments and zero deposit fees. This makes it a strong contender in the crypto space. ZebPay operates in Australia and Singapore in addition to India. Key features. Some of the main features that make ZebPay stand out from the other cryptocurrency exchanges in India are as follows. Lending. Users can lend crypto and earn a fixed interest at 4%. No deposit fee. Unlike some other exchanges, ZebPay does not charge any fee for deposits. Lightning Network payments. The platform supports the Lightning Network that provides faster transactions and lower fees. Zero trading fees on select pairs. Regulatory compliance. ZebPay complies with all the major cryptocurrency regulations in India as follows. Mandatory KYC verification for all users on the platform. AML policy. In addition to the above, ZebPay has partnered with TaxNodes, an expert-assisted income tax return (ITR) filing platform. This partnership aims to simplify the process of filing crypto taxes for ZebPay's users. Minimum investment. ZebPay requires a minimum investment of 100 INR. Payment methods. ZebPay supports deposits via NEFT, IMPS, and RTGS. Security. ZebPay takes security very seriously. Here are some of its notable security features. $100 million worth of insurance in partnership with BitGo. It has partnered with Chainalysis to maintain the integrity of transactions on the blockchain. AML policy in place. Mandatory KYC verification for all users. Pros. Good returns on crypto lending. Lightning Network payments. Zero trading fees on select pairs. No fee on fiat withdrawals. Funds insured by BitGo. No deposit fees. No deposit fees. Factors to consider when choosing a crypto exchange. Choosing the right crypto exchange for you isn't easy. Before you make a decision, consider the following factors. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the exchange complies with the regulatory guidelines set by the government. Compliance with laws such as anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, protocols indicates a level of legitimacy and safety. Security measures. Look for exchanges with robust security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, fund insurance, and data encryption. User interface and experience. Choose an exchange with an intuitive and user-friendly interface, especially if you're a beginner. Ease of navigation and a clean design can enhance your trading experience. User interface and experience. Choose an exchange with an intuitive and user-friendly interface, especially if you're a beginner. Ease of navigation and a clean design can enhance your trading experience. Supported cryptocurrencies. Check if the exchange supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, especially those you are interested in investing in. Payment options. Check the available payment options for depositing and withdrawing funds to ensure they meet your preferences. Reputation. Read user reviews and engage with crypto enthusiasts on Reddit, Discord, and other platforms to get a sense of the platform's reputation and user satisfaction. Fees and charges. Understand the fee structure of the exchange app, including trading fees, deposit and withdrawal fees, and any other charges. Lower fees can save you a considerable amount of money over time. Customer support. Look for platforms with responsive and helpful customer support, ready to assist you when you encounter issues. Ideally, the platform should have 24/7 phone, email, and live chat support. Trading volume and liquidity. High trading volume and liquidity indicate a healthy market and ease in buying or selling assets without affecting the price significantly. Tax compliance assistance. Some platforms provide tools or partnerships to help you comply with tax regulations related to your crypto investments. Choosing an exchange that can assist you with filing your crypto taxes can save you a lot of time. We know that considering all these factors when doing your research can be difficult. That's why we've done the hard work for you and provided you with our top recommendations in this article. Team at My Project Paper thank our viewers for watching this video. If you think that the video has given you some valuable information, then don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel. We value each subscriber and we promise to keep you updated with information across sectors to keep you ahead. For content valuable videos with license or for thesis research-based projects, do check out our website www.myprojectpaper.com.